Just point your gun at the bad guys and don't ask any questions. You think you know what's going on? You have no idea. Project War, available now.
Shelia, have you found anything?
Just a special ID card. Nothing else that I can see.
Roger that. I'm on my way.
I advise you to stay out of this matter. Wake was as stubborn as you are.
All these soldiers' remains. What happened here?
Stay alert! There's treasure under the stone tablet. Do whatever it takes to find it.
An ambush.
I thought all along it was me who was crazy. But it's everything. This whole thing is nuts. They've played us like fools, Rue. But if they think they're gonna get away with this, they must be crazier than I am.
Welcome to Montenegro, 47. Your primary target is Marcus Krug. Time to go to work. Target removed. We have intel that indicates other Conclave members could also be on site. Observe their line of drift. Good. Now move to the next target. One less Viper in the nest. Target removed. Very creative. Conclave member down. Final target on the move. Confirming high-profile kill. Another perfect assignment, 47. The money has been wired to your account. Good work.
Rated M for mature.
People are scared of you. I mean, look at your face. Who'd you get in a fight with? A fable, right?
I cut this fucker open. I saved Little Red Riding Hood from this monster.
Your eyes, the teeth. You're not really supposed to do that, are you?
You are the one charged with protecting the citizens of Fabletown. Your failure to do so cost someone their life.
Something's going on.
Big P, did one of us do this?
I don't know, Snow. Must be nice being the sheriff. Do whatever the fuck you like. I have my limit for bullshit, and I think we reached it 10 minutes ago.
Big P!
There's still a lot of questions.
Should have walked out of here when you had the chance.
Work with me, Eli.
You still don't get it? There's nothing you can do, Batman. Please, please. Anything you want.
Give him up, and I'll make that danger go away.
No. I can't. You've seen his machines. You're completely insane.
No?
I am death.
Riddler terrorized this city long before you were Batman. To have him returned, it's unsettling.
He used to leave clues at all his crime scenes. Always thought he was smarter than the people trying to catch him.
Game on!
You should have called us before going in, Gordon.
Waller?
This city is about to find itself in a crisis the likes of which it's never known.
The criminally insane. You're drawn to them, aren't you?
I told you I'd see you again, didn't I? I need that favor you owe me.
We all wear masks.
Gotham's criminals have become zealots and thugs in cheap suits. Everyone's very impressed with you. I'm not impressed.
I want to commemorate the moment. Smile.
Tonight, I tell my own story.
Good evening, citizens of Metamorphosis. As we make our final preparations, we must be extra vigilant. Keep a watchful eye out for our Republic. And in return, she will watch over you.
Please, I need your help. I don't have much time. Did you do that? They're right there.
How are you under your cage? If the headmaster could see you now.
I pray you have not doomed us all, child.
Don't trust anybody, not even me. The girl's infected, taking her to recalibration.
It is a secret between you and I.
They're coming. Let go. Please, stay with me.
Who is this? What do they know about our Republic?
There was no need for that. This one, I believe, will go quietly.